When working from home, we know that space can be limited, causing coffee cup catastrophes, home office mishaps, and those lethal leg cramps. We've been there. But with DropTop, those days are behind you, and it won't cramp your style. DropTop is Pith Stem's new handcrafted, customizable workspace made with working from home in mind. DropTop gives you the space you need when you need it, and folds away quickly and easily when you don't. And it comes with a selection of colours and artworks so that you can put your work out of sight and out of mind at the end of each day. Dual screen? Easy. Or mastering the art of dance? Reenacting Romeo and Juliet?
Oh, sweet Juliet.
Sure, Bill, why not? Whether you're moving funds, creating campaigns, or educating the next generation, it's safe to say that we've got you covered. No matter what you need. DropTop won't cramp your style.